Hello, I received your question here. I guess this is section 3.4, number 43. You look over songs in a jukebox. You determine you like 17 of the 59 songs in the jukebox. What's the probability that you like the next 4 songs that are played? Assume a song cannot be repeated. And so, probability you like the next 4 songs. Well, you know, there's 59 songs, and somebody's going to choose 4 of them. So this is all the combinations that are possible. 59 choose 4. Well, you only like 17 of them. So 17 choose 4. That's how many combinations that would be successful divided by the total number. Then you work that out to 0.005 on the calculator. Probability that you'll not like the next 4, well, the denominator's going to be the same, and I guess there's 17 of them you like, so that means there's 42 you do not like. So if you have 42 songs and you're going to pick 4 of them, choose 4, then there's 111,930 ways that can happen. And I used a calculator, to come up with this, and that works out to 0.246. Hope that helps.